wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best camera cranes. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, a decent choice for small lightweight cameras. The ephotoinc EA500A is a nifty portable option that will produce nuanced and professional footage. It comes with bubble levels and collapses into a compact size for transport. It includes a padded carrying case and is very affordable for the quality, though it may wobble when fully extended. At number 9, made from tough carbon fiber, the Sevenoak JA20 should be able to endure long active days on set without a problem. It weighs only about 5 pounds, making it good for portability, and features a sliding weight bar for managing the counterbalance. It offers 360-degree panning and is good value for the money, but there's no way to lock its position. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Constructed from resilient aluminum alloy, the neewer pan will hold up well if you encounter some inclement weather while you're filming a scene outdoors or capturing footage at an outdoor wedding. It features a screw hole for mounting accessories. It comes with counterweights and extends quickly and easily. However, it's not ideal for heavy cameras. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for camera cranes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Proam Astra is a nice mid-sized jib that works well for capturing footage from multiple locations in one day. Using its manual tilt handle, you can modify the angle to catch fluid moving shots, making it a good choice for weddings or sporting events. It features a reliable pan and tilt lock and quick and easy camera mounting, but it doesn't include a stand. Moving up our list to number 6. It takes only a few minutes to convert the length of the gaoag jib from 8 to 12 feet, giving you plenty of flexibility. Unlike some models, it allows you to capture shots pointing straight down and offers automatic and manual tilting modes. The sturdy steel frame doesn't flex and is backed by a lifetime warranty. It can double as a mic boom too. Halfway up our list at number 5, the Indy Jib Cinema can accommodate cameras weighing up to 15 pounds, which is impressive for a model in this price range. It rises and pans smoothly from its lubricated fulcrum and is backed by a limited lifetime warranty. It keeps cameras reliably level and is equipped with a tough powder-coated finish and a handle with a rubber grip. At number 4, the proaim Alphabet should satisfy the needs of demanding filmmakers. It comes with a hefty collapsible tripod that's sturdy enough to support this sizable model when fully loaded. You can set it at 4 different lengths too. It extends up to 21 feet and includes a heavy-duty storage bag. It's got a load capacity of 33 pounds. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. It can be difficult to execute a good crane shot, but the 7-inch digital monitor that comes with the Proam USA jib kit makes things a lot easier. It allows you to focus on your subject from just about any angle, and it comes with a carrying bag to boot. It also includes a 10-inch HDMI cable and a scratch-resistant coating. It breaks down quickly for transport. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for camera cranes, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, even when it's loaded with heavy gear, the ifootage M1 remains stable and rotates smoothly thanks to high-quality bearings. The adapter allows you to mount the camera upside down for low-angle shots, and it has a sleek, durable finish. It's made from strong, rigid tubing and comes with hex keys. The length adjusts by 4 feet. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Proam USA Orion is a sturdy construction that extends to 8 feet. It can accept an additional 4-foot extension if your project requires a little extra length. No tools are necessary for assembly and is made in the United States. Its tilt control is precise. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for camera cranes, or simply click beneath this video.